So as you can see, today's job is ripping out some hardwood floor to make way for the new stuff. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it! Okay, so when you're tearing out hardwood floor, I've found the best way to do it so far is with the tongue side. If you start from the tongue side and work your way across that way, it comes out the easiest with the wrecking bar. Now with demo done, cleanup can begin. The least fun part. All this will go out to a burn pile, and then you gotta pull all the rest of the staples that busted out of the wood and get the floor ready for the new floor.